Hi Aquarians, this is Star with Irana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle cards that I have. Aquarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have the Three of Swords. You were dealing with some kind of heartache, or maybe you were a bit disappointed when it came to your relationships, or even at work. Sometimes we don't get what we desire, but then that's the way forward, or that's the way the universe works. Maybe your relationships were also a bit strained, there was a rift in a relationship, or perhaps you were also dealing with health issues, also dealing with excess work. Professionally, it may have been very hectic, but then some gains were also there for you. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that June is going to present for Aquarians worldwide is the Two of Pentacles. This is the month when you will be juggling money and energy. Perhaps Aquarians, you should also rely on your own instinct rather than listen to the viewpoint of others. You're very intuitive souls. You look very far ahead in the future. Besides, you also have the intelligence to sail through. Maybe you should not risk it all. Sometimes we rely on another person's judgment, and in the end, we could have nothing to show. That is why it is imperative, Aquarians, to follow your own inner voice this month. I think you should also promote your work, or you should network a bit. Influences for this month, we have the Three of Cups. This is a very light-hearted energy coming in from the Three of Swords, which was there towards the final day. So this is asking you to network, to socialize, to be in the midst of people rather than be withdrawn. Maybe you're also going to benefit if you network a bit. You should promote yourself. Reunions are very likely this month. You should also focus on improving your social network skills, maybe even on the social media. If you need to learn a thing or two which could help you get ahead, then so be it. Some of you could also be concerned about younger people. The first 10 days of June, we have the Two of Cups here. Surprises are definitely on the cards. I think you should also capitalize because you're going to ink those deals very quickly. Overall contentment will definitely be there. You could be very taxed on account of the excess work, but then you'll be very happy with the output. Approval is also going to be there. Maybe your boss is overseeing the assignments or tasks that you have done, and he is going to be appreciative. I think you also have a very professional outlook, so this means that you're going to be someone who is going to plan in advance, and this will help you. In personal relationships, Aquarians, there could be some disagreements. Maybe you believe that a particular person is definitely creating animosity or rift in your relationships, or is always curt and rude, or has something untoward to say. That is why it would be best to be far removed from this person. Incidentally, the next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th June, we have the Sun card. It may be very hard for you to weigh your words carefully because the Sun is known to be very hot, and so you could be a bit agitated this time. You may blow hot and cold. You're not going to brook any nonsense, so to speak. In case you believe that the client hasn't paid you up, then you're going to say something to him. In hindsight, you will realize you should have kept your cool. Aquarians, it's also very likely that you may feel as though you're sacrificing yourself, but then a colleague or even a family member could believe or could state that you're the one who does the least amount of work. Perhaps it's time to switch responsibilities. This is the time when you will crave newness. Maybe you also have to deal with the unforeseen delays. I think you're also somebody who doesn't want to go by the book. You may not want to follow the rules, but this could be overlooked by your superior or your boss, and this is also going to be a relief for you. The final days of June, that is 21st to 30th June, we have another major arcana. We have the Hierophant here. This card is the High Priest in the deck, so definitely you're going to gain insight here. Maybe there are also going to be life-changing experiences at this time. Perhaps you will also have those visions or dreams which could throw up answers with respect to your life. I think this will definitely ensure healing for you at the soul level. In these final days, you could also be a bit overworked. This could make you very irritable because you are overwhelmed on account of the excess work. Maybe you also sleep deprived, so that is why it is going to mean that you could be in a foul mood. Again, this month you need to promote your talents. Maybe family members could also suggest a work idea which was already there at the back of your head. So you need to work on that as well. Perhaps Aquarians, you will also benefit if you ask for favors from others. Sometimes we feel that we have to return the favor. That is why we are a bit hesitant to ask. But then it is necessary for you to do so. I think while working with juniors, or in case you're in the leadership position, then you have to review the tasks of your juniors. Maybe your boss is also very whimsical. That is why there's going to be a change of plans. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Hidden Read Between the Lines. Perhaps within your relationship or within the framework of your relationship, you believe that some things are hidden or that some things are not explicit. Maybe you fancy someone and this person is not wearing his heart on his sleeve. This person isn't acknowledging your presence in his life. That is why you want to understand his thoughts. You want to understand what is missing in your life or what is it that he is failing to convey. Maybe you need to decode his body language, or you need to keep an eye on him on the social media as well. I think reconnection with someone is also very likely. Maybe this person has also pulled at your heartstrings, but then these are early days. You know, Aquarians, we are going to be floating if we get the attention from the one we fancy. But you should also understand that a relationship works only when both the parties are communicative, instead of one person doing all the talking. Those of you who are already romancing will enjoy good conversations. You will have dinner dates, maybe because of the Two of Cups energy. Also because of the Three of Cups, I believe you are going to be very flirtatious this month. Maybe you're also going to be connected with your person in the 5D world. There could be dreams with respect to your love life. Incidentally, in case yours is a secret romance, I think you wanted to remain hidden, or you wanted to be behind closed doors, but then your family members could get a whiff of it. Maybe someone could also threaten to talk about your secret romance openly. I think this month you will also be concerned about the health of your spouse or a loved one. Money could be spent on account of the same. That is why there could be disagreements here. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity could be a factor. Maybe your spouse is also very critical and fastidious. So you should keep all this in mind. From the Archangel Raphael healing cards, we have this card, Second Opinion. I think with respect to a health matter, you need to seek advice from other medical professionals or healers. Maybe you could also benefit on account of alternative medicine here. I think Aquarians, you need to safeguard your health, or you could even be the caregiver this month. The last card in this reading is Archangel Raphael from the Angel Therapy deck. Definitely Aquarians, Archangel Raphael is there. You just need to ask him to intervene. He is going to guide you beautifully this month. In fact, he is also supporting your healing work. Aquarians have that healing touch. In case you want to study further, and in case you're involved in energy healing work, or in case you're a light worker, then you are going to be suitably guided this month by Archangel Raphael. You know, this card coming up in the reading always brings a smile to my face, because Archangel Raphael is guiding me as I do these readings for you. Aquarians, you will definitely benefit on account of Archangel Raphael. Minor issues apart, I think surprises are going to be there this June. You are going to feel content. You need to loosen up. You need to socialize. Maybe you're also floating because someone is showering you with all the attention this month. I hope Aquarians you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.